Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to change long format data into wide format data. So the data that we have open here is in long format. So if you go to data editor view, you'll see what a long format data looks like. So here's the ID variable, and you can see the ID 1 or 2 or 3. All these IDs happens for 3 different time points, so 80, 81, and 82 for the year. So one observation or one case has been observed for 3 different time points. So that's why, and this is how it is put in the data set, so which makes it a long format data. So we want to change it to wide format data, for which we write a command called reshape, and we need this to be wide format, so wide, and specify the variables that you are going to work with, and then your ID, specify your ID variable, which is ID, and specify your time variable, J variable, which is year in this case, and hit enter. So what happens is this variable format has been changed from long format to wide format. So and it's the results here. So observation 9 and wide 3. And you'll see why. And the wide format number of variables has been changed from 4 to 7, and the year dropped. So year has become part of the variable now. So yeah, so if you go to data editor view, you'll see why it's called a long format, wide format data. So ID is now like 3 times, right? So it's the actual ID, and all the years now here. So for income data, that is observed for 3 times. So each of them is now variable now. And then for 81, 82, and 82, yeah. So this is how you change your data from long format to wide format. So this is how a wide format data looks like. Thanks for watching. If you find this very tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching again. And if you like more contents like this, please put your comment below, and I'll make sure to make one for you.